Hello Internet. I want to start with a quick introduction to this channel because I know that so far people have really only seen gaming content here. I'd like to welcome those of you who enjoy vaping and the vaping scene to this channel. Since this channel here is more focused on like hobbies and the feedback that I can get from community members about different hobbies and stuff. There will be more videos, vaping, roller skating, poi, hula hooping, fish keeping, obviously comedy and gaming, just like, you already see in the channel, but then potential for more to be added, down the line as I find more hobbies and, more people with different hobbies that I want to try out. Now that this introduction's over, let's get on to the actual vaping video. I am in no way going to start this video with any kind of brags about any tricks because I myself, like you may be, as the title suggests, am an amateur. But I do have some useful tips I have learned that I can share to help some people as far as, like, now that I've been practicing this unique art for about a year and maybe a year and a half to 2 years, I have some, strategies that I do during practice sessions. As far as exact time, I have no idea. This was honestly just a hobby I picked up after seeing a few, like a blast of vines with all sorts of cool like whirly-doos and things people would do while practicing, their vaping tricks. The next bit of video content that you will see is going to be unedited visually, except for red text, which is going to be the text that if you're a beginner, that's what I'm going to recommend you read, because I kind of go through some strategies and some useful tips to help you keep your brain in a mental state where you're still learning. Something a lot of people will experience while doing vaping tricks is you start to like fade out and phase out, and things like even blowing an O starts to become a challenge and stuff. And aside from that, like, you obviously got to choose a good room, and you have to have like a good juice, enough power to your mod to even do the tricks at a decent, satisfactory level. But basically, I want to make sure that people know that red text is for them if they're a beginner and they're trying to learn more about what's going on. A big thing that you see a lot of beginners do with different things is give up early, and that's why there are so few like experienced people in different crafts that you see in your day-to-day life. So let's get on to the video, and of course for a practice video you need some good music. Aside from that, anything else I want to say or express will be in a non-offensive text to read. I hope this helps someone with something, so please enjoy.